Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm back again to share a little bit of my day and some of our weekend adventures with you. This time, we decided to take a drive and explore one of the nature's reserves near where we live. It's called New Forest. It's such a beautiful place full of nature and peaceful spots to relax. Since it was a sunny day, my husband decided to have an ice cream, perfect for the weather. After that, we went for a walk around the area. We've actually been there before. It's one of our favorite places. There's a lake nearby that I find absolutely stunning. I've even done photo shoots there before, and I always love going back. One of the high things of New Forest is the wild horses that live freely around the reserve. That was one of the main reasons I wanted to go there. I really wanted to see the horses again. They wander everywhere, even along the roads, and it's such a special thing to experience. Later on, we tried our luck looking for mushrooms. My husband went off to search in some of the damp areas while I stayed by the lake for a while. One of my favorite spots. It was a bit chilly near the water, but it gave me a moment to just breathe, reflect on the weekend ahead, and enjoy the calmness of nature. While I was there, I found what I think were raspberries, and I picked a few, but no big mushroom success for us this time. I think it might be too early in the season, and the ground was still a bit dry from the heat. After that, we headed into the town center for a coffee break, and I treated myself with a traditional Portuguese pastel de nata, one of my favorites. It was pretty hot where we sat, but still really lovely. Before heading home, I walked around the city center a little more and I found this cute store that sold local fruits, vegetables and organic products. We grabbed some fresh fruits and that wrapped up our Saturday adventure. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog and that it may maybe inspire you to get outside and explore, even if it's somewhere you've already been. Sometimes returning to familiar places bring the best kind of peace you need. Wishing you all a beautiful week ahead and see you next time.